As most federal employees already know, OPM has announced a rare event, the open season for the Federal Employees Group Life Insurance Program. However, federal employees may be unaware that this open season is scheduled from September 1st through the 30th of 2016. David Beck from EBW is here to explain all of that. So why don't we start with, first of all, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
What does open season mean?
Open season means that people who either have not participated in the program prior or who have not participated fully or want to make a change to their coverage can do so without having to prove they're insurable. It's just, I sign a piece of paper and I have whatever coverage I now want.
Isn't group insurance always the best option?
Simple answer is no.
No, it's not.
It is not always the best option. The problem with group insurance, and you heard it even today, even with the Obama Health Care Act, that the federal government is looking to get younger, healthy people into the program to offset the cost of the unhealthy. That's how group life insurance works, is in the exact same manner, is that none of us are paying for the risk that we represent to the insurance company. We are getting charged for the rate that our entire group shows as a risk pool. So if I'm a healthy person, I am going to be paying more to offset the cost of the unhealthy person.
So what are the drawbacks with most group insurance programs?
Well, first off, it's cost is a major component of it because, you know, it's based on the perceived risk of the entire group, not the risk of that individual. Typically there's going to be caps in place as to how much insurance you can get, because the insurance company has to mitigate their risk, because, you know, if I'm an unhealthy guy, the first thing I'm going to do is load up on my free group insurance or paid insurance.
How do individual insurance plans compare to group life insurance plans?
Individual plans typically are going to be cheaper because you pay for the risk that you as an individual pose to that insurance company versus the risk of your group, because the group insurance will increase every 5 years in premium typically.
Okay. What is the action plan for federal employees before the open season starts?
I would say that you have to evaluate the coverage. What do you think that you would want to take in the federal employee group life offerings? You know, you can go anywhere from 1 to 6 times your salary, and compare that with what you can get as an individual over the time frame that you think that you need that coverage, whether it be 10, 15, 20 years. I just finished a case the other day with a doctor at the VA who's going to save $200,000 over the next 20 years just by making the switch.
Well, and I think the best, you just said it right there, you know, you're the expert. You know all the ins and outs of this. If you have any questions about it, people should call you guys and get the expert advice. You can't go wrong.
Yeah, just make the comparison, because is it going to be right for everybody? Maybe, maybe not. For the vast majority of people, if you're somewhat healthy, yeah, it'd probably be a good idea to take a look at things.
And we have all the information on the screen right now. You can make a phone call right now. If you're sitting at your desk at work, pick up the phone, 703-506-0030 or ebwllc.com. We thank you so much for coming in today, David, and some great information, very useful to our viewers.
All right, thank you.
All right, we'll have more of Let's Talk Live right after the break, so stay with us.